all around me. I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was falling out like last week. Tell me, where have you been?
This is Halloween.
Danger! Danger! Get on the floor! The feeling right here!
Sing it!
Hey, you girl, that even blend? Wait, what is that? Oh no. Oh no. By Dollar General, girl, they got a market style Dollar General. This Dollar Market, they got fresh meat and produce at Dollar General. Y'all got that one of y'all? Cause that's new for me. Like, whoa. Never thought about getting some ribs or some turkey meat from the dollar store. Places are just doing the most right now. I stopped just to get some nails real quick. I'm heading back to the house. Hopefully this child is dressed and ready so we can go to this event. We're going to my family's birthday party. My cousins, they're older. I can't, y'all, I'm trying to turn with this long ass ponytail. We're going to their birthday party, so that's why we're kind of dolled up. Well, I'm dolled up. It's a black and white affair, but I'm kind of going kind of casual. I'll show y'all my whole fit when I get back into the house. I just got some press-ons. I am a press-on baddie, okay? Not like I used to always have my nails done back in the day, but it's expensive, you know? Not that I can't afford it, it's just, it costs too much because every 2 weeks my nails grow crazy. So every 2 weeks I need a new fill-in, and fill-ins is close to $100. No ma'am. No ma'am. Just, I'm alright. So I got some these. Hopefully my cousin's gonna be there. Y'all guys can meet my cousin. She is so sweet. She don't drink or nothing. She's like the sweetest cousin. She like my little sister, so hopefully she's there. I haven't seen her in a minute. Cause if, you know, you got that one cousin that come, he's like, okay, I can chill. You know, that's my cousin. I got cousins like that on both sides. She's definitely one on my daddy's side. It's my daddy's side of the family, so I have not seen them in a minute. So this is gonna be interesting. So yeah, I'm excited to eat because it's food and it's all you can drink. So I'm going to get lit. I'm going to have fun. I'm ready. If anything, I might throw some curls in this ponytail. I just decided to do a low pony. Originally, I was gonna have my hair straight, like red and straight and stuff, but I wanted to dye my hair and I didn't have time to do all that. So it's like, I'm not gonna put more on myself that I can bear. So it is a lot. Y'all gotta give mercy, because you have your favorite YouTuber and they doing Vlogmas, Vlogtober, anything, and you want to see their everyday thing. This is hard, y'all. This is definitely hard. Some views though. Woo. Oh no, it's raining a little bit. Damn. Did straighten my hair. I cannot. Curls will start to hit.
Money all around me. I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was falling out like last week. Tell me, where have you been? Just a fan, you don't hold right. No right. Yeah. Pretty ass villain ass nigga with a sick ass mouth and a sick ass flow. Catch up in around me, nigga, and I'm playing when I'm coming for the kitty. Got my phone got down. Smoke for my niggas in the cruise right there.
She wants you to try it.
Okay. So it's fine.
Good.
That's good. That's margarita. Tastes like margarita.
Yep. Thank you so much.
Well, I saw no reason to hesitate. Why, I would be more than foolish to wait. I fell to my knees, confess my sins, and like the best bologna sandwiches on the convention trail and their road. If you had spent all your money, which I usually have, shopping, you could go to their room and they had food. Those bologna sandwiches were the best. And what I remember most was burger pie.
Tell me what that tastes like.
White Castle. They were family. They welcomed me
What kind of fish
into
is
their
it?
claim.
Probably cod.
Because I was alone,
It's
then
cod.
I
Is it
didn't have
good?
spiritual trouble. But I could count
I
on
can get the
them.
sauce.
So y'all give it up for. Come on, make some noise for the DJ. But what I want to say is this. When I met them and I laid my eyes on them almost 30 years ago, they were the dynamic duo to me. They were so respected. They were so powerful. And they loved what they did with the children at DPS. As a young person, I was wild as a buck. I was a custodian when I first met them. But they always spake life over me. And they always had something positive that, you know, you could do.
Thank you for standing for me. I'm like, I'm in mid-cut.
And I met her through my children, my babies. She named them the babies. Angela and Thomas Sorrell was the.
I love you. Yeah.
Chicken dry. It's all white meat. It's like, I love it.
Sandra, all of the hot shots.
I never had the hot shots.
I want to make sure this is all right. And so he said, a color scheme. So he pondered over that for a little while. So he said, black and white. Okay. I said, okay, I'll be in black and white. They said, oh no, we're in black. You're in white. So that's when you see me in white. Then I said, well, I want everything to alternate. Black is, as you can see. So I got all my hostess white flowers, and I got my black flower, because I said, this I want in like the table setting, and I want my girls to sit here. And we supposed to have a meeting. Now they say a good meeting lasts only 1 hour. Isn't that right? Yeah, business. And you would think by the many times we met, we would have learned. I have yet to have my 1 hour meeting. And then our meeting starts at 5. Of course, I did feed them. You know, I had to feed them. But I think they all left at 10:30 at night. And so that's the way it was. Half the time, it was more like a little other. People would get concerned. They said, where they half. And a lot of you that's around here know that. So, sure enough, whoever was in first, the other one came in and would pick up the sentence on whatever the first one was talking. We were inseparable. We did everything together. And the reason, I'm getting a little off, but the reason I stopped Teresa for introducing the Ambrose, there's only 3 reserved tables. Now I know some of you were looking for the family reserved table. At this moment, I want all the Ambroses and all the Hawks to please stand. Please stand, all of my family. Please stand. Because all my guests would have been sitting back in the back of the room. All the family was sitting up in the front. But I wanted it to the point where everyone...
On my vlog, it's my cousin.
7 mile, maybe.
7 mile, better mile.
East side, all the way to Southwest.
What you drinking on now?
That's the white shit. I'm still drinking Nene.
Okay. Wait, my beer is loud. You done smashed her food. I'm still trying to eat and record.
Recording it just stopped. It's just something about birthday cake. What is it? Some? Take a bite. See what's something. Girl. I got my cousin over here. Hey, see him. What's up?
Look at it.
That's all you did. Whoa, sexual feeling. Ooh.
Don't forget, come on back here for the 360. Make sure you get on the 360 before you go.
Did you see the pictures?
Money all around me. I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was counting up like last week. Tell me, where have you been? Yeah, came out of hiding, girl. Don't act like I'm your man. I'm just a fan. You don't hold right. Don't hold no right. Pretty ass villain ass nigga with a sick ass mouth and a slick ass flow. Catch up with around me, nigga, and I'm playing when I'm coming for the kitty. Got my phone got down. Do it for my niggas and the ghost right now. Do it for my niggas and the ghost right now. Niggas got killed for the boy, living dreams in the hills, and they running for the boy right now. Goddamn, by the time what a year. We are what them young boys feel. I kill, never be killed, that's real, no lie. You can tell it from my peers right now. Don't you wanna fuck me now? Don't you wanna love me down? Girl, you can't tie me down like Ray J said, but no, I'm down. Freaking nigga, show me something. Nigga like you owe me something. Push it on a feeling like a button, can't put time for it, still getting ready in a function. Bitches on my dick like it's nothing.
Alright, sorry. Phone died. So, shirts from Shein, pants from, we're talking about me. Pants from Fashion Nova, boots from Fashion Nova. Girl, my YSL bag. Can you insert my YSL bag? Necklace.
Fashion Nova jacket, Rockstar lifestyle. I'm gonna make it.
Girl, okay, she rocking John Jamar. Necklace is a story, but eh.
This baby scarf. I put it
DKYN watch, and then I have on Ferragamo perfume. Do I smell like an old lady?
Mask from Walmart.
Do I smell like an old lady?
No, it smells very good.
Okay, she don't like certain perfumes like that, and that's because of scent box. All right, that's it. We're about to head out.
See me, you see me, you see me, white and black.
Yeah, it was white and black affair. All right, guys, to the core.
Out of hiding, girl. Don't act like I'm your man. I'm just a fan. You don't hold right. Don't hold no right. This is Halloween.